You can browse your Confluence content by status with better content archiving. Use the Content Status Overview to understand your content health in a dashboard-like view. The Content Status Overview is the centerpiece of content quality reporting in Confluence. It's a statistical overview of all your spaces, with the number and ratio of pages in each status. The following metrics are displayed in columns for each space. Number of contents, pages or blogs in the space. A percentage of currently what portion of all contents have been processed. Number of pages in different statuses and their ratio to all contents in the space. You can filter the metrics by content status scheme. Content type like pages or blogs. Or search for a specific space. The Content Status Overview is available on 2 levels. Globally, to get an overview of all your spaces, and on the space level for just the pages in the particular space. Now we are looking at a global overview. It lists all spaces and all statuses configured for your spaces. If a status is not defined for a space, no data is displayed in the Content Overview table. The Global Content Status Overview is also available for non-admin users. They can only see spaces that they have permission to view. Open a Confluence space to check the space-level content overview. Here, you only see the same metrics and the statuses configured for the particular space. In the next video, we will look at how to find out the status of individual pages and check page view statistics. Watch the next tutorial video or start a free trial of better content archiving for Confluence now.